think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, I am Courtney B and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are an OG, thank you so much for clicking on this video and for always supporting your girl. If you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you will never miss an upload from me. In today's video, I am finally going to be doing a DIY cheap and easy centerpiece for my dining room table. If you guys have not checked out me DIYing my dining room table, I'll link a card up here, so make sure you guys check that out. But today's video will be all about me creating a little centerpiece, and I think I want to do another round, but this time it'll be a table round, and of course I am going to decorate it. So if you guys want to see how I do it, make sure Alright guys, so it is the next day and I just wanted to let you guys know that I did finish painting the round and it is completely dry. Next up, only thing I need to do is put a couple coats of polycrylic on that. And then also I wanted to let you guys know about some other decorations that I have for the round. So I had my husband go ahead and make this little, it's kind of like a little easel situation for me because I picked up this little cute sign from Hobby Lobby and I just want to hang it on here, but I think I want to stain the wood. And of course, you guys already know I'm going to be using my favorite Early American, this color stain that I love. So I'm going to stain that. And then also I was looking on Pinterest trying to find some ideas for decor, and I'm going to put a little picture of what I saw on Pinterest. So I am going to try and recreate it, but recreate it to my liking. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and stain this also, and then after that it'll be time to go ahead and start decorating. Also, my little wood block and the little sign that I stained, that is dry as well. So I do want to show you guys how it looks so far. So first up, I will show you guys my round, and it came out pretty good. I am going to go ahead and create a stencil with my Cricut because I want to customize it a little bit more. And then also from there, I will show you guys my block. It came out so good, so I can't wait to get everything all put together with this. And then last but not least, my little sign. This is how it turned out. It does have a few flaws, but that is okay. Came out better than I expected, so I really like how this turned out as well. And then also I wanted to go ahead and put a little pop-up right here. I went ahead and painted some beads that I had gotten from Hobby Lobby. It was around Easter. They were originally the pink and brown beads. So I just went ahead and spray painted all of the pink to black. So yeah guys, I wanted to tell you guys about that. And then also behind me is my sign that I had did a video for. So if you guys really like this, I'll put a card right here. Make sure you guys check out that video. But I am gonna go ahead and get started on creating my little stencil for my round. so it's finally time to show you guys how everything turned out, and I am absolutely in love with everything. So starting out, I will just go with the beads first. Of course, it was leftover beads that I had from Easter. I believe I had purchased those from Hobby Lobby, and I just created a little sticker for it, or a little decal with my Cricut. It says Meals and Memories. Absolutely love how that turned out. And I spray painted it, the beads, the pink beads, black with just black spray paint. From there, I'll move on to the vase, and this is my favorite part of my decor. I love how this turned out. This is scrap wood. I went ahead and stained it with my favorite stain. I had this vase just laying around. We've had this probably for well over, I believe maybe well over 10 years. I believe we got this from IKEA a long time ago. I think that's where it's from. I'll see if I can